students, this is 11th lecture of our data science using Python series. In this video, I will cover the topic of logistic regression. So first we understand what is logistic regression here. Logistic regression helps when we want to make yes or no binary predictions. For examples, let's say we want to predict if a customer has a store credit card or not. Logistic regression is perfect for situation where the answer is either 1 or 0. So how to perform logistic regression using Python here? So this is the code. First we understand the scenario, load the data. First we load the data and separate the predictor variables like days and web and response variable credit cards. So this is the code here. So I will explain the code using commands. This is the code. Import pandas.pd content type. This is the clothing sales.csv file, our data file. Sales.print days and web. Web is the x parameter our, and by parameter is to prediction parameter sales string credit. So when I run this code, this is completely run. So it is logistic regression representation here. Next is Poisson regression. So what is Poisson regression? Poisson regression is used when we want to predict a count of events, like a number of times a customer will call customer services. It does not have continuous numbers but only count type answer like 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. So how to perform Poisson regression using Python? So this is the code of our Poisson regression here. So I will run this code. This is the code I will run here. So yes, value. So this is the our Poisson regression code here. You can see and you can watch this GitHub profile here. Thank you.